Look for that key, guys. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go look for keys now. Find that key! Look for the key. You got it? Yeah. All right. Where you at? Let's move up for it. Okay. Did that hit you? Bullshit. Hit, hit, hit. Walking through, dead man walking through. Ow! I said dead man walking through, damn it. Boom. Who's got the key? Who's got key? Give it to me. I'm trying to get that trunk open. You got key? Who has it? Who's got key? Who said they had it? Stay down, stay down, stay down. Who's got the key? Yeah, they're not calling their hits. Get a ref up in that house. I swear I hit the guy in the front window right in the mask. Marty, they're not calling shit in the house. Get in there, man. Trying to fix, hey, hold up. Trying to fix the wall. All right.
Good?
Yeah. Ow. Come on, guys, get out there. Don't sit back here. Oh, wait. spot. Yeah, we just got it. You got no tape? We got no tape. We just got it. Be careful, our team's gonna shoot you because you ain't got no tape. Just let them know you're on our team. We had one guy trick us before, so they might not trust you. Yeah, fuck that. If he ain't calling shit over there, he ain't gonna go sit there on that. Traded kills, traded kills. Good trade, good trade. He was the furthest up. Hope that didn't hit the camera. Fucking A. Move up, people! Try to get up. Yeah, I know. Who's got key? Who's got key? Who's got the key? Nobody can answer who had the key last, at least. You got them pushing up port. They're trying to push to that garage. Who's got key? Infinite respawns until that trunk is open, dude. They're past the port, you idiot! You're shooting at your team! Here, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. You got it? Go, 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 you're clear. You're clear, go. Yeah, I know. I can't get him. He's not popping around. Go, 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 go. Put the key in and get it. Call that. Front window. Call that shit. Whoever's in that front window, you better call that shit. Get it, get it, get it. Hey, get up over that car and cover that back boathouse. That's hitting your feet. You are out. Dude, you two on the left. I shot you in the feet. Fucking A. Run out of gas already, dog? I gotta buy more canisters. Fuck. Hey, watch to your left over there in the garage. They're right before the garage. No more respawns!
Hey, watch the blade, watch the blade.
Oh, shit. Dude, call that! It's not game over! If you are hit, you are out! No more respawn! It is not game over! Oh, it is? He didn't get the suitcase up there, did he? I gotta take it to the enemy spawn, people! It's not over! It's not game over! Still on! Dude, that just hit him, dude. He ducked around the corner. Did I shoot you just now? Whoa! Nope! Woo! I know. He's been there. Keep it covered, and get down in there. Dude, he got me covered good. If I peek my head around, be careful.
I got no ammo, man.
I'm gonna get right up on him. Got him. I just got him. What are you doing? Are you on my team or what? What team are you on? Fucking stupid. I'm shooting inside the window. Why are you shooting at me, man? Get up in there. Go, go, go. He's coming out. Hit. I was about to come in on y'all. I ran like gas with my shotgun and started going down. It's like just started falling. I'm like, oh shit.